Alright, so find the horizontal asymptotes, the x-intercepts, y-intercepts of following rational functions. Horizontal asymptote. Let's see, where would be the horizontal asymptotes at? Horizontal asymptote where? Y equal to what? How do you find the horizontal asymptote? Don't you look at the higher powers of the bottom and the top of these functions? So the highest power of the bottom is second degree, the top is first degree. If the bottom is a higher degree than the top, then automatically it's going to be y equal to what? 0. How do we find the x-intercept? How do we find the x-intercept? Set the y equal to 0. Wouldn't it be found at the top? Let's go ahead and factor this out. Let's go ahead and factor everything out. And because this has a leading coefficient of 2, let's do that little trick. 7, what goes on top? 10. So then what are the numbers? 5 and 2, 2 and 5, 5 and 2. And then we divide by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. So we will get 5 over 2, 5 over 2. And then we're going to get what? 1. So nothing's going to cancel out, even if you factor out this 2, x minus 2. And then this is going to be 2x plus 5. X plus 1. Nothing cancels out. So if nothing cancels out, where do we find the x-intercept? Don't we find it here on top by setting it equal to 0? Yes? Look, f of x becomes 0, no? F of x, the y becomes 0 because that's f of x. 0 over 1 cross multiply, we will get 0 equal to 2x minus 4, no? Yes? So x better be 2 at x equal to 2, no? So we plug in x is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, so x-intercept will be 2. At 2. How do we find the y-intercept? How do we find the y-intercept? Anybody? Set the x equal to 0. Yes? Set x equal to 0. So then this is going to go away. This is going to go away. This is going to go away. It's going to be what? Negative 4 over 5, no? All right, so we will need all of these, identify these things to help us graph without a graphing calculator. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to graph rational functions. Let's go ahead and have it ready. Copy it down, and then we'll start in about 4 minutes when you get this copy. One good feature that they could have is for me to be able to stop and like pause it and then keep going, but it doesn't have it. So let's pause it, keep going. It doesn't, it just stops it and that's it. All right. So we should factor the top and the bottom. But the top is what? It's a set. A set. Don't be going crossing off, nothing like that. No, no. All right. And this is easy to factor. I hope you don't need to do anything else. It should be x and x. What are the numbers? Do the x then if you need to, but like, what are the numbers? 3 and 2? Which one is negative? Negative 3? Alright, so f of x is going to equal 2. So we're going to cancel out x minus 3 and x minus 3. So you're going to be left off with what? 1 over x plus 2. And let's remember that x cannot equal 2. X cannot equal to what? 3. Okay. So now we're ready to fill this out. The vertical asymptote will be where? How do you find? Okay, where's the vertical asymptote? Oh, close it. Alright, where's the vertical asymptote at? X equals what? Like, speak louder, anybody? X equals what? X equals negative 2. Vertical asymptote at x equals negative 2. It has a hole. Where does it have the hole at? At 3. Hole at x equal to 3. Horizontal asymptote, where is it at? Huh? Y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 because the lower, the power at the bottom of the denominator is higher, bigger than the top. So horizontal asymptote at y equal to 0. X-intercept. How do we find the x-intercept? We set the y equal to 0. We set the y equal to 0. If this is 0, you can do it here. Do it here. You wouldn't have one, huh? Makes no sense, yeah? Because look, if I said equals this, it makes no sense. So it has none. Y-intercept. How do we find the y-intercept? Set this equal to one. Is it 1/2? 1/2? Sure. Let's get the domain. We don't need this stuff. I don't know why I have this here. We don't need it, but let's practice. Now, what's domain? It's going to be all reals, and what else? X cannot equal to what? Cannot equal to -2 or 3. Okay, so this is what is going to help us graph this thing right here. So it has a vertical asymptote at x equal -2, x equal -2. Vertical asymptote at x equal -2. Has a, well, the whole, right now, horizontal asymptote y equal to 0. X-intercept doesn't have an x-intercept. Y-intercept is at 1/2. So it has a y-intercept here, 1/2, y. There it is. That's all we get. Kind of like, is that the Wheel of Fortune? I said before, you guys know the Wheel of Fortune? The TV show? You know what, at the end, they like, you get these letters and consonants and you gotta fill. Alright, anyways, that's all you get here in this. But you know what these things do, no? They're branches, no? And they approach the highways, no? So how's this gonna go? It's gonna go what? Towards right here, no? And it's like gonna be an on-ramp to there and an on-ramp to here. Oh no, I should have done it more smooth, no? But undo it. It should be smooth going like, I can do it. Let's see, do it again one more time. Last time. Just gonna go somewhere trying to get closer to it. And they usually are diagonal. If this thing goes like that, more than likely the other one is going to go here. And if you want to test the point, you could go ahead and test the point. What I mean is test the point. Let's look. If I plug in x is -3. If I plug in x is -3 here. What is -3 plus 2? -1. And what's 1 divided by -1? -1. So then if I got -3, then the y value is -1. Yes? So then I know that it's going to be here, and it's going to go like that, and it's going to go like that. It has a hole. Where does it have a hole at? At x equal to what? 3? So it's going to keep going. It's going to keep going, but then it's going to have a hole here. All right. All right. So there's that. Okay. Look at that. Oh no. Alright, there. That's pretty much the lesson for today. Yeah, I'm going to stop this because that's enough. Stop.